SMART goals are a powerful tool for achieving success in any area of life. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting SMART goals, you can ensure that your goals are clear, realistic, and achievable. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of setting SMART goals and provide strategies for setting and achieving SMART goals. The first step in setting a SMART goal is to make sure that it is specific. A specific goal is one that is clear and well-defined. When setting a specific goal, it is important to answer the following questions. What do I want to accomplish? Why is it important? Who is involved? Where will it be done? Which resources are needed? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your goal is specific and well-defined. The second step in setting a SMART goal is to make sure that it is measurable. A measurable goal is one that can be quantified or tracked. When setting a measurable goal, it is important to answer the following questions. How will I know when I have achieved my goal? How will I measure my progress? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your goal is measurable and that you can track your progress towards achieving it. The third step in setting a SMART goal is to make sure that it is achievable. An achievable goal is one that is realistic and attainable. When setting an achievable goal, it is important to answer the following questions. Is this goal something I can realistically achieve given my current resources and capabilities? What steps do I need to take to achieve this goal? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your goal is achievable and that you have a plan in place to achieve it. The fourth step in setting a SMART goal is to make sure that it is relevant. A relevant goal is one that is aligned with your overall goals and values. When setting a relevant goal, it is important to answer the following questions. How does this goal align with my overall goals and values? Why is this goal important to me? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your goal is relevant and that it is something that you are truly committed to achieving. The final step in setting a SMART goal is to make sure that it is time-bound. A time-bound goal is one that has a specific deadline. When setting a time-bound goal, it is important to answer the following questions. When do I want to achieve this goal? What is my deadline for achieving this goal? By answering these questions, you can ensure that your goal is time-bound and that you have a sense of urgency to achieve it. Once you have set a SMART goal, it is important to develop a plan of action to achieve it. This plan should include a detailed list of steps that you will take to achieve your goal, as well as deadlines and milestones to help you stay on track. It is also important to set up a system of accountability, whether it be through regular check-ins with a coach, mentor, or accountability partner, or through the use of a goal tracking app or tool. Another important aspect of achieving SMART goals is to be flexible and adaptable. Sometimes unexpected events happen and you might need to adjust your plans accordingly. It is important to be flexible and open to changes in order to achieve your goals. In conclusion, setting SMART goals is a powerful tool for achieving success in any area of life. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you can ensure that your goals are clear, realistic, and achievable. By developing a clear goal strategy, you enhance your ability to achieve your goals in order to live your best life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to learn how to make difficult things easy so that you can live the life of your dreams by studying 4 subjects not taught in school. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.